What's up everyone and welcome to the club. In today's video we're creating a cute illustration of Piplup from Pokemon. Let's begin today's lesson in the center of our page and draw two ovals for the eyes. Now you want to start with the one on the left. Starting from the very top, come all the way down towards the bottom and pull that back up towards the top. Now you want to leave a large gap in between the eyes and draw the same size oval on the right. So start by lining up the top. You want to bring that down towards the same height and then bend that back up towards the top. Let's add a small highlight circle along the top of each eye. And then we'll fill the bottom of the eyes in black, going around that highlight. Now let's draw the beak in between the eyes. We're going to line up at the center of the eyes, move to the middle, draw a circle. We'll go all the way around, toward the bottom, and then back up. Let's add a curve going across the bottom of the beak, come down, and then up. Now from here, we move out to the side, draw the lower half of the head. From the outside of the left eye, let's step all the way out. Just gonna curve the head, coming down. Just pull that in underneath the beak, go across, and then bend that up on the outside of the right eye. Let's go back to the left side, draw the top of the head. Just gonna round this out, go up in the middle. It's like drawing an oval. Come around towards the right side, and we'll bend that down. Now we're gonna draw that seam coming from the beak around the top of the eyes. Let's start on the left. We're gonna go up, go around the eye, and then bend that down towards the side. Let's line this up on the right. We go up above the eye, round this out, and then come down. Let's add that small detail in the center of the head. We're going to start with a point in the middle, come down and out toward the left and right side, and then angle this up and out toward the side of that trim. Now with the head complete, we're going to move down and draw the top edge of the collar. We're going to start right in the middle, step down, start with a point, bend this down, and then up underneath the head on the left, go back to the center, come down and up on the right side. Let's round out the side of the body. Starting on the left side of the collar, then the body going around, down, and then in. Let's line this up on the right. Going out, down, and in. Let's leave a small gap and curve the bottom of the body, coming down, and then up. Now I want to close off the bottom of the legs with a half circle. Starting from the outside, come around, and just tuck that up underneath the body. Now I want to tuck the feet in underneath the legs. Let's start from the outside, curve this out, and then down. Let's round out the foot. We're going to bend this in and just tuck that up underneath the leg. And we'll separate the toes with two curves. Starting along the top, step down and draw that twice. Let's move back up and add in the wing. We're going to start from the top of the collar, bend the wing going out and then down. Let's round up the tip of the wing and bend that in towards the side of the body. Now we're going to go back and add two circles just underneath the collar. So on the edge, add that first circle going all the way around. And we'll just line that up on the right side. Now let's sign our art and add a splash of color, and that's pretty much it. That's how we draw Piplup from Pokemon. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. If you did, please make sure you subscribe because I'm posting new lessons every single week. I want to thank you for watching, and I'll see you again soon.